Welcome back to Big Nick's Meats and Treats. I've been fighting a little bit of a cold, so if I sound a little bit stuffy, I apologize. Today we're going to do a product review on a ThermoPro Tp15H instant read meat thermometer. I've been using these things for years. As many of you know, I'm a brand ambassador for ThermoPro, but I've been using these long before I was ever a brand ambassador. And I'm going to do a little bit of a comparison of these to some of the other meat thermometers I use, and we'll just get into it, and we'll see you in a sec. So one of the things I really like about the TP15H is it's portable, and of all the meat probes that I use, it has the finest tip. Super fine tip. So when you're doing delicate foods like meats or like fish, things that are very thin and you're trying to get a temperature on them, you don't have to worry about using a great big probe. So that's one thing I really like about it. In comparison, like I have a ThermoPro Temp Spike, which is great for prime ribs and big steaks and things like that, but it's got a big beefy probe on it. Okay, so you got to put a big hole in the meat. This is the meat probe that came with my pellet smoker, same thing. And this is the ThermoPro TP25. It's got a pretty fine one too, but still not as fine as the TP15H. So when I'm doing like smoking fish in the smoker, things like this thing is absolutely great. So that's just one of the things I really like about it. One of the best features about the TP15H is the price. It's under 15 bucks. I've probably had 5 of these, and not because they didn't last, but because they're so affordable. I give them to my friends as gifts and things like that. And for that price, you just can't go wrong. ThermoPro says that these will read in 3 to 4 seconds. In most cases, I find that they read even faster than that. So let's do a little comparison on, I'm gonna use the probe in some boiling water and some ice water and see how accurate it is. All right, I have a jar of water with some ice in it here. It's been sitting here for about 10 minutes. Let's go ahead and measure this and see what we get. One of the things I like about it also, when you turn the thermometer on, the backlight automatically turns on for you. So we're about 35 degrees, which is about what I would expect for ice water like that. I think that's pretty stinking accurate. You can also turn the light on manually if you want and turn it back off. You can switch from Fahrenheit to Celsius, and you can lock your temperature in. All right, so let's test it in boiling water now. See how it does. All right, we have a pot of boiling water here. I'm going to put the meat thermometer in there and see what temperature we get off the boiling water. I would expect it should be around 212, somewhere in there. 213.6, 214. Pretty stinking accurate. One of the other things I really like about this also, it's got a magnet built into the back of it. So this particular one here, I just keep on the stove just like that. And it's always here for when I need it for the oven or I'm using it on the stove top. I also keep one in my barbecue kit just because it's so handy. We'll see you in a sec. Overall, I've been super happy with these ThermoPro TP15Hs. Like I said, I've had 4 or 5 of them. They just have some features that you can't get with some of the other probes. I really like the fine tip for delicate meats. The price is just unbeatable, under 15 bucks. I mean, you just can't beat that. Like I say, keep one in your kitchen, keep one with your barbecue kit. I'll put a link down below. If you click on that and use the coupon code, you can save some money if you want to order some. Make sure you give us a like and subscribe. Tell your friends about us. Over 92% of you that watch these videos are not subscribers. Let's get that changed. All right, till we do another video. Watch me work, baby. Watch me work.